Hello friends, in today's video I'm going to be walking through how to change ship from address on Shopify. But before getting started this video, make sure to subscribe how to 1 minute. So open your Shopify admin panel and click on settings, and now select locations, and here you will find your shipping address. You can change existing one by clicking on it. So enter your new location here, and now select your country, address, apartment, city, and enter your postal code, phone number. Also you can add a new location by clicking here. So this was how we can change our shipping address on Shopify. If you have any questions, feel free to post in description. If you think to see more WordPress videos, please check the links in descriptions. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe how to 1 minute. Thank you for watching.